Hello, Dr. Lenz here, and I'm going to show you how to access your feedback in Canvas. I use the SpeedGrader. So, click on Grades. There probably is a faster way to get to it, but as I've said in other places, I don't have the same view and pathways that you all have. So, anyways, so click on grades, you will see all the assignments, and then you will see like what has been graded, what has not been graded. And then click on the actual assignment. And this should bring it up. You can download the original file that you uploaded. Click View Feedback, and here it is. So I like to use both in document comments with marginal notes. Right, let's see if we can make this bigger. And I also use general comments over here. These are called assignment comments, where I will put, scoring, if points were deducted, put some notes over here, then a general comment right here. Otherwise, there will be a lot of stuff within the actual assignment. So that should be pretty easy to sort of figure out. You can also download the annotated version of this. And that way, it might be easier for you to take a look at what the comments are and stuff like that. So, I hope this helps.